Hey guys, welcome to DevOps School. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about Docker. It helps us to create, deploy and run applications by using containers. After going through this tutorial, I promise you that the concept and understanding of the Docker will be absolutely clear to you.
But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOps School certification level courses which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry-level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best and start today.
Yeah. So there's two ways using that you can create a image. Using existing container, this is called manual way, just for the learning purpose. And this is using Docker file, and this is automated way, automated process. Okay. So both the ways I'm going to teach you right now. First I'll show you the manual way, and then later on I'll teach you automated way. Both are simple, not very complicated. Okay. So how do you create a manual way using existing container? So see my screen here. Clear the screen. Now I need a one container. So before a container, I need some requirement, right? The image should contain something which we should have something, right? Some requirement. So let's create some dummy requirement. It says my manager said, Rajesh, please create one image which has flavor of Linux. I'm not saying operating system, I said flavor, means root file system, okay, of Linux. Should be Ubuntu, okay. It can be Ubuntu, RHEL, Fedora, Debian, SUSE, whatever it is, I don't care, can be anything. So the flavor should be Ubuntu. Then on top of that install JDK, okay, JDK, and then on top of it, let's say install Apache, okay, Apache 2, and top of install Git, and top of copy some file, okay, and then create an image. Some files, when I say that, it can be your application files also. Create an image and give this image to me, my friend, my project mates and stuff like that. So what I'm trying to tell you here, the requirements can be anything. You know better because you've been working with your applications. So you have to decide what you want, what are the prerequisites for running that applications and all. Now you all want this everything in one layer or separate layer, is up to you. But right now, because we are doing that manual way and in a container, so we'll have in one layer, everything in one layer right now. So you can have it in separate layer also, JDK in separate, Apache in separate, Git in separate, this in separate. You can have it, but right now all in one layer. So the requirement can be anything. You have to write a pseudo code for it. So guys, did you understand that at least how can we have a requirement? Everyone understood this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I just follow the things. Within 5 minutes, you can create an image if you know the steps. Lesser than 5 minutes to be honest. Okay. So flavor of Ubuntu, no problem. Docker run -it Ubuntu. I don't want to come out. I want to go inside. So I'll remove the D. So I'm creating one container from the base image Ubuntu. I have taken it from there. Right now I'm inside a container. Do we have JDK? Let me check. No. Do we have Git? No. Do we have Apache? Which Apache? No. No. Right? So we need those files to be installed. So how do we install? You can copy manually also and set the environment variable, that kind of things. You can do that very well. But right now I'm doing manually. So how do we do that? So apt get, let's install the Apache. So for this, what should I do? Download, not Ubuntu apt Java and OpenJDK, because if you go for the Oracle website, no, they will ask you to registrations and all, and that's too much actually for that one. So I need a OpenJDK. So OpenJDK apt, and here it is. Okay, so now you see here, if you want to manually install it, you can go and download it. But right now I'm not interested. I will do this JRE. Okay. So JRE, or if you want the JDK, then you should go for this one. Okay. This one. Okay. Sorry, this is for RHEL, right? 7. Okay. This is the one. So package is for JDK. Okay, so I think I copied here, apt get install, done, and it suggests the package is not there. So package is not there, no problem. I'll update it because this is the base image, that no package will be there, no repository will be updated. So I'll update this, all the repositories with the default Ubuntu registries. I updated this. Now can I install it? And still that package is not there. So let me check another package is there or not. That package is not there in that. I can add the registry or repository also, but and see here. So that is also not there. 7 is also not there. So what do we do in this case? So can we check this? I doubt you get it, but I'm just checking. So there's a way to add the repository also. I'll talk about those later. And see, this one is there. This package is there. OpenJDK. This one is there. 8 is there. That means why 7 is not there? Because it got deprecated, I guess, because of that. So now it's there. So now installing Java, simple, JDK. Okay, so this way you could have copied also to some locations and then would have got this done. But Yum is like a package manager, is easy to get the work done and preferred one actually. So I install the JDK inside a container, remember? And here I have to select some reason. Nowadays this all the installer is asking this one. So I'll select I'm from Asia, right? Sex, and add in anything, just select random. Okay, guys. So clear the screen. Java is done. See here. Done. So I installed completed my one requirement of my project. Now what do you want? Apache? Let's install the Apache. We're inside the container, clear the screen, and apt get install Apache 2. Yes. Simple. Whatever you want to do. You can do it in separate layer also, but right now I'm doing on one layer. Done. So which Apache 2? See, you got it. Can I install the Git also? Same way. Git -y, because I'm getting bored by pressing Y, so I press this. Done. Git is done. So see here, guys. Control PQ. See here. In this container, if you see, docker ps. In this container, you have a git also. So docker exec and git. You have git. See, inside a container, you have a git. Here, you don't have a git. So you can use it. You have a Java over there. Java, do you have it here? No Java. Do you have a Java over there? See here. So you can use it for Java, Perl, Python, Java 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whatever you can do, anything you can run, whatever you want inside the container. So basically, those containers are executable. When you need it, use it. Within a second, you create it. Work is done, stop and delete it. So easy for you. Anyways, so now I want to copy some files, index.html or something like that, somewhere. So just take care of the file is here, index.html. This is my application file, HTML, and some content. And what we do in this case, docker cp, you know that all these commands, you know very well. Where you want to copy, again, application directory, but right now I'm copying it. So yes, all work have completed now. All the work has been completed right now. So here you see all the work completed. Now I'll create an image. So I'll create an image. So how do we create an image? Simple, commit that. Typically you should stop the container and commit that if it is runtime running. But Ubuntu is not runtime, it is not having any application runtime, no one is accessing it. So here, how do you do that? Commit -m. Why you are committing? It has a Ubuntu plus update plus git plus Apache also, something else. So this message you are giving, it's like a git commit if you have done it, right? So who are you? Author, who are you? Rajesh Kumar, who's the owner of this commit layer. This is one layer, by the way. Commit will create one layer. Okay. Now, which container do you want to commit? You want this one. So now, guys, when I say container, the diff location will be taken. Remember, in the containers is creating nothing but the diff layer, right? Remember, image writable layer, diff directory. So that those files will be taken from there, and those will be committed and become a read-only layer. Now, which image you want to give it? So I'll give the same image name. So, guys, done. Was it difficult? You tell me. Was it difficult? Guys, done. Image. Now, guys, you have got image this one. Now, I will create a container from this image, not that image, the Ubuntu. Here, you don't have anything. Here, I'll create a container from this docker run -itd and this one, and I will name this container mine -- name mine, and here docker ps. Now this container has everything. Let me check this. Docker exec this git. See, so anyone can enjoy Apache, Git, Java, whatever it is. Anyone can enjoy Java. See, so requirement is fulfilled. The image is ready right now. So what do we do in this case? So see here, image is ready. Docker image is ready. Size. Now you want to check this Docker history. Look at this. All these commands, please, whatever you have covered already, try this. See here. Till here it was Ubuntu. You saw that. Till here it was Ubuntu. Now this is where it got additional. So now this, see that how much size we have written in this 500 MB. Somewhere 550 MB for this layer. It's installed so many software actually. And in AWS is pretty fast, I guess. Install this. And then these are the things. Again, you can inspect that. Command, you know that. Just you have to use it. Inspect this. Which one? New image. And you see here. Now, earlier we had a 4 layers. Now we have 5 layers. You see the lower directory got updated. So guys, this is the way you can create an image. One image with one layer. Each commit will create one layer. 5 layer, one layer you got it. Okay. So this is the command which I run to create an image. That's all. So let me tell you here. These are the commands I run from outside, and some commands I run from inside also. And that was, let me copy this. If you really want to run that command, then I should give it to you. So which was the container? This container, right? Docker attach history. So these are the commands I run inside a container. Inside a container. Okay. So guys, did you understand this now? Everyone? Okay. So now can you do one thing? Can you create an image for this study? So I'll give you, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes. Create your image. It can be any requirements. I don't care. It can be anything. But create an image. Run all this command. Understand this, because I'm not explaining each line of it in the inspect command or history and all. You just check, observe, and you'll learn more about this.
Hey, Rajesh, I have a question here. So when we do, commit, right? So is it committing to local repository or is it going to be pushed to Docker Hub?
See, commit is never ever getting to the remote repository. In Git also, commit is a local repository. So here also, commit is a local repository.
Okay, so then should we again do push it to the corresponding repository?
I'm sorry, yeah. So yes, you have to push it actually. So how to share an image, that's the next topic actually I'll teach you.
If you liked our Docker session so far, please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.